अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय।
Namaste children, welcome back to our math class again. Here today we are going to discuss exercise number 4.6, verbal problems. Right children? So let us check it out, and whatever will be given, now you check it out how to write the word steps and all, and do the assignment problems which follows children. Okay Nana? I hope you all are having the textbooks, yes? While listening this video, you check out the problems from your textbook. Now let us see that. First question in 4.6. Sudhir scored 12,506 runs and Anil scored 13,934 runs in their cricket career. So Sunil scored this many, 12,506 runs, and Anil scored 13,934 runs. Yes. Who made more runs and by how much? First, we have to compare both. Nana, while you are doing, you put commas, Nana. In the question, commas not there. That is your work. You have to put the commas. Okay. So, put that, and then who scored more runs, Nana? Which one is more? 13,000, and what is more than 12,000? Yes, Nana? So, we have to write first, because 13,934 is greater than 12,506. We say that Anil scored more runs. Yes? So, what we have to do now? More runs. By how many means what you have to do? Subtract. Yes, first what we have to write? Anil scored runs. Yes, Nana? This is first, bigger number should come in the first line. So, Anil scored runs is equal to 13,934. And now, Sunil scored runs is equal to 12,506. So, here, you can write like this also, Nana. Number of runs scored by Anil, number of runs scored by Sunil. Like that also you can write. Simply you can write like this also. Okay, Nana? Now, more runs scored. See, in the steps itself, in the question only, the steps are there. More runs scored by Anil. More runs scored by Anil is equal to. Now, what we have to do? Subtraction. So, first one's place, as usual, you know how to subtract, right, Nana? So, here it is. Borrow from 10's place, it becomes 3 becomes 2, and 4 becomes 14, minus 6, 8, and 2 minus 0, 2, and 9 minus 5, 4, and 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and x plus nothing is that 0 only, yes? Now, you have to write here, thus, more runs scored by Anil is 1,428. I did not put any commas. You put the commas, children. Okay, not here in this place, but here in the question and in the answer. While you're doing in the classwork, you must write the question and then do the solution, children. Both are needed. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Here is the second question in that. Sangeeta had 85,819 rupees in her bank account. She bought a computer and a mobile phone worth 36,980. How much money is left in her account? Account means bank. In the bank, we can put money, Nana. Yes? You are having the banks nearby your houses, no? There you have to pray. You have to join as an account holder. In that you can save the money also. Yes, money only. In that, Sangeeta is having one account. Whatever she'll put the money, that is called account. Okay. In that account, how much money is there? 85,819 rupees. But from that, how much she used for buying computer and mobile phone? 36,980. So how much money is left in her account? Means what we have to do? Subtract left. Yes. So what we have to write the steps Nana here? As usual, first you have to put the places. Now Sangeeta had, see in the question itself, you observe Nana. Sangeeta had, this is what money. Yes. So Sangeeta had money in her bank account or in her account. You can write is equal to, when you are writing in two lines, you have to put like this arrow mark, children. You know how to put it? Is equal to 85,819 rupees. Next, how much she spent? Yes, she spent amount to buy computer and mobile phone is equals to 36,980. Now, money left in her account. See, in the question only it is there. So, money left in her account is equal to subtraction. So, 9 minus 0, 9. Now, tens place. 1 is less than 8. So, borrow from hundreds place. Hundreds place becomes 7. And 1 becomes 11 here. 11 minus 8, 3. And 7 minus 9 not possible again. We have to borrow from 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 7 becomes 17. Minus 9 is equal to 8. And here 4 minus 6 not possible again. Borrow from 10,000's place. 10,000's becomes 7. And 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 8. And here 10,000's place 7 minus 3 is 4. And lakhs place nothing is there, 0. Now what we have to write? Thus money left in her account is equal to, or is 48,839. Okay? Understood, Nana? BK, while you are writing, you see the question. From the question, you should write the steps. Okay? Now let us go to third question. Here it is. A farmer harvested 45,221 apples from his orchard. Orchard, you know, where? Mango groves and all will be there. Yes, in that apples they'll harvest, it seems. Tota, in Telugu we say, yes, that is orchard. A farmer harvested 45,221 apples from his orchard. If 12,313 of them are sold, how many are left? So what you'll write, Nana, from this question? A farmer harvested apples. Our number of apples harvested by farmer in his orchard or from his orchard. That is 45,221. And number of apples sold is equal to 12,313. Apples left with him, you can write. Yes, let us write that. Now here it is. Number of apples harvested by a farmer is equal to how many? 45,221. And number of apples sold is equal to, you can write sold by him also, Nana. Okay, sold is equal to 12,313. Now, number of apples left with him or with farmer is equal to, left means we have to subtract. Yes. Now, subtract 1's place. 1 is less than 3. We have to borrow from 10's place. 10's becomes 2 becomes 1. And 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3, 8. And 1 minus 1, 0. And here 100 place again, 2 is less than 3. So we have to borrow from thousands place. And here 5 becomes 4. And 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3, 9. And here thousands place, 4 minus 2, 2. And here 10,000s place, 4 minus 1, 3. And here lakhs, nothing is there, 0. Now here thus number of apples left with farmer are 32,908. 32,908. Okay. Now let us go to the another question here. What number must be subtracted from 7,21,365 to get 3,48,197? What number must be subtracted? What number must be subtracted means which one you have to find, Nana? Subtrahend you have to find. Yes? From this one, this number is called minuend. To get this number is nothing but difference. At the end, what you get? Difference only. So they have given minuend and difference. You have to find subtrahend. Now here you have to write first. See, check it out, Nana. We know that minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference, and that implies minuend minus difference is equal to subtrahend. So we are going to use this minuend minus subtrahend is equal to, minuend minus difference is equal to subtrahend. So let us start doing that. First we have to write minuend is equal to 7,21,365. And next, difference is equal to 3,48,197. And now subtrahend, we have to subtract. Yes. Now here it is 1's place 5 is less than 7. So we have to borrow from 10s. 6 becomes 5 and 5 here 5 becomes 15 minus 7, 8. And 5 minus 9. 5 is less than 9. So we have to borrow from hundreds place. So hundreds plus 3 becomes 2. And 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9, 6. And here hundreds plus 2 minus 1, 1. And here thousands place 1 less than 8. So we have to borrow again from 10,000s place. So 2 becomes 1 and 1 here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8, 3. And 1 minus 4, 1 is less than 4 again. So we have to borrow from lakhs place. So lakhs place 7 becomes 6. And 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Now lakhs plus 6 minus 3, 3. So we have to subtract, that is thus 3,73,000. See, from the question only we have to write the conclusion. Thus 3,73,168 must be subtracted from 7,21,365 to get 3,48,197. Right, children? So do this, Nana. And homework, you can change the numbers and you can do it, Nana, in HW also. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Here it is. I think this is 6th question in your textbook, children. And 5th question, I have given it as homework to you in a home assignment. Okay. Now that also I'll explain later. Don't worry. Now here it is. By how much is 6,82,135 greater than 4,19,762? Already they have given how much is this number is greater than this one. Means minuend is here 6,82,135 and the subtrahend is this one. But we have to write the larger number and the smaller number, and you have to write difference greater. Okay, let us write that. Here it is. Larger number is equal to 6,82,135 and smaller number is equal to 4,19,762. And difference between above two numbers, larger and smaller numbers, is equals to subtraction. That is, you have to do 1's place 5 minus 2, 3. And here 10's place 3 is less than 6. So we have to borrow from 100's place. So here 1 becomes 0 and 3 becomes 13. Minus 6, 7. Now 0 is less than 7, so we have to borrow again from thousands place. So 2 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. And here 1 less than 9, so we have to borrow from 10,000's place. 8 becomes 7 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Yes? 11 minus 9, 2. And here 7, 7 minus 1, 6. And here 6 minus 4 is 2. Plus 6,82,135 greater than 4,19,762 by 2,62,373. Yes, Nana? Now, let us go to the home assignment, children. Here is the problems you have to do. In 4.6, remaining problems, Nana. Let us start. You have to do it in your HW, children. Yes? Now let us see here. And there were 8,44,652 people in a city. 5,22,689 people moved away to another city. How many people are left in the city? So what you have to do here? How many were there in the city? 8,44,652. And how many moved to another city? 5,22,689. Yes. How many people are left in the city means we have to subtract. So how you have to write the steps, children? Number of people were in a city. Or there were people in a city. Anyone you can write. If you write number of people were in a city, then it will be clear for you, children. And here number of people moved away to another city. And third step, number of people are left in the city. You have to write that steps and you have to write the numbers according to that. And then you have to subtract. Okay, children. Now let us go to another question here. The sum of two numbers is 2,99,897. If one of them is 1,03,842, find the other number. Sum they have given, children, one of the addend they have given. So other addend you have to find means you have to subtract, right? We have done in 4.1, but here 6 digits are there. Okay, how to write the steps here? Sum of two numbers is equals to 2,99,897. One of the number is equal to 1,03,842. Next, third step, the other number is equal to. And the conclusion also you have to write. Therefore, the other number is equal to. Or if one of the number is this, the other number is equal to. You have to write. Conclusion step is must, Nana. Last step. Next, third one. A family's total income is 2,44,500 rupees per year. If the father earns 1,76,890 rupees, what is the mother's earnings? How to write the steps here? Total income of the family or a family's total income is equal to this one, 2,44,500 rupees. And father's earns or father's earnings is equal to 1,76,890 rupees. Third step, therefore, the mother's earnings is equal to subtract. Okay, and at last step, you have to write the last sentence. Therefore, the mother's earnings is, you have to write that. Okay, how much you'll get? You have to subtract properly, children. I hope you all can do the problems. Write the steps. Steps are very, very important, Nana. Write properly. Okay, I hope you will do it. All the best, Nana. Do it. And before problems, you change the numbers and do it as homework. Okay? All the best, children. Do it.